You know the drill. Not your keys, not your coins. But if it ever makes you nervous that a single master private key controls all the funds in a wallet, then you'll be relieved to learn about multisignature wallets, or multisigs. All wallets perform the same role of storing your private keys, but in different ways. When you sign transactions, you're using your private key to authorize them. A multisig wallet, however, enhances security by requiring 2 or more private keys to authorize transactions. Think of them as a version of 2FA, or multi-factor authentication. Multisigs thus mitigate the risk of a single point of failure by distributing access across multiple keys. So even if one key is compromised, a hacker wouldn't be able to execute a transaction without the other keys. Requiring multiple approvals also means enabling shared access to funds, preventing one party from being able to control all the assets. These features make multisig wallets an attractive option for securing large amounts of funds, like those held by DAOs, organizations, institutions, or even individuals with large personal holdings. There are a couple of types of multisig wallets that users can choose from depending on their needs. The first is the M of N type, which requires a minimum of M signatures from a total of N to authorize a transaction. Examples of how this looks are 1 of 2, 2 of 3, or 3 of 5. Next is the N of N wallet, which requires unanimous approval from all key holders. For example, a 2 of 2 or 3 of 3 wallet will need every private key holder's signature to authorize a transaction. So as you can guess, multisigs are great for enhancing security, as it requires multiple private keys to authorize transactions. This prevents a single point of failure where all that's needed for an attacker is a single compromised private key. Multisig wallets also enable shared ownership, making them ideal for collaborative use cases like DAOs. It provides each party with equal control of the funds and prevents one from taking control. But on the other hand, multisig wallets can be more complicated to set up compared to single-key wallets. Users will need to be a bit more tech-savvy and understand proper key management to use them safely. Multisigs could also introduce complications as it requires coordination and cooperation among multiple key holders. For instance, if one party is unresponsive or unwilling to sign, this makes it difficult to manage the wallet and its assets effectively. It also remains a legal gray area on who has rights to the funds in cases of disputes. How much crypto would you need to hold before you'd consider securing your assets with a multisig? Let us know in the comments. And for a recap on how public and private keys work, check out our video here.